must find a way to establish a foothold and summon reinforcements to keep the Zerg at bay. I will erase... Ah, this faithful observer has kept watch since the evacuation. Its abilities will certainly prove useful now. Some of these abandoned structures remain functional. We shall make use of them. My allegiance is yours. My burdens weigh heavily. The Zerg will keep coming until we are dead. I must find the Overmind's cortex and discover what I can from it. Shozak Maknul. My burdens weigh heavily. Glory to the firstborn. If we use our observers wisely, we can scout the area before putting ourselves at risk. The first Overmind tendril. I sense pain, surprise, death. In the service of ire, my allegiance is yours. You address me? Arudim. We must be prepared to defend our base. The Zerg are on the move. The second Overmind tendril. I sense death and joy. Burdens. You address me? In the service of ire. Your probes are under attack. I will erase. These warp gates appear to be functional. Perhaps there's a chance. Burdens weigh heavily. My allegiance is yours. I Sukdash. I En Arudim Rashad. The third Overmind tendril. I sense satisfaction in a plan set in motion long ago. I will erase the demons of the past. Glory to the firstborn. must go to the overmind cortex to understand. Greetings, brother. I speak